Hi everybody. So today we are going to learn how to make cupcakes of same size and even rise. So mostly there are challenges when we may fill the liner. Some cupcakes are like the liners are empty at the top, some are overflowing. So people are using like spoons or ice cream scoops to measure the batter. So let's see how I can do and how we can make all the cupcakes look like same, because it looks good when you have all the same size and evenly raised cupcakes. So let's get started. So I'm using the scale method here. So I will put all the liners in the cupcake pan, and then we will put batter in there and we'll measure 50 grams for each cupcake. The batter would be 50 grams for each cupcake. So this is the way to measure every cupcake batter on the scale while you are putting in the pan, so that you don't get mess up with any of the cupcake batter. So let's see how I'm doing here. So I will just put the batter, reset the scale, then again we'll put the batter, then reset the scale, and here I'm showing how I keep my liners in one place. So it's easy for me using this jar. And let's get started by putting the batter in the liners. So I'm using this small ice cream scoop. Normally when I don't measure, I just have to put like full scoop, so it's good size for these are giant size cupcake liners that you can find on Dollarama or anywhere in your local store. So there are two sizes: regular, large, I think large, and giant. So I use the giant ones here. So I'm putting the batter and then resetting the scale. I'm putting the batter for 50 grams and then resetting the scale. So obviously you cannot accurately measure 50 gram all the time, but it's approximately 50 grams for each of the section. So here I'm doing all of these one by one. So it will give you a nice like even look on your cupcakes when they will bake up, and they will take even time. So otherwise when you have somewhere little better, then it will be like hard, and the others are not properly cooked and some are overcooked. So just to avoid that thing, we can use this method to measure better in all the cupcakes. So I'm filling here one by one, and I used here a doctored method of chocolate cupcakes. You can find the recipe on my channel. I'm going to upload after this one, so you can find there. And from one box, after doctoring, I got like 18 cupcakes and 3 6-inch cakes layers. Guys, this is my first voiceover video, so obviously it will take time to practice these things. And number one challenge I am facing is to find a quiet place. It's very hard to find a quiet place because I live nearby a main road and I have 4 kids. It's hectic. So I'm reading my oven to 120 degrees, and I will bake at this temperature in the upper shelf for the cupcakes, and for cakes it will be on the lower shelf for like 15 to 20 minutes. After 10 minutes, I swipe the sides of the cupcakes, like the rear ones come to the front and the front ones goes to the back, so that they cook at even time. So after 20 minutes and one swapping, they are here nicely evenly raised cupcakes, and you can see in the video. Yeah, so when they are bouncy from the top, they are ready. I mostly don't check with the stick. Sometime I do, sometime I don't, depends. So when they are bouncy layer on the top, it's fine. And your cupcakes or cake should not be very well baked. You should take them out once you think that they are just in the early stage of completely baked goods. So you can take them out because they are still hot, they are still in the pan, they will bake more in automatically. So that way I think I found they are more like soft and moist. and I'm now putting on the rack so that they get cooled down a bit. Then I will put in the ziploc. So guys, they are ready and in the ziploc, and they are ready to be freezed to store for future. You can freeze them up to 1 or 2 months even.